Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve this example. After that we are going to learn something new. To draw this example, to draw this shape we have to start from key points. First, for example, we create an ellipse. Draw ellipse. Okay. Center. For example, I pick here as a center. Then specify endpoint of access. You see it's 200, it means 100. Just insert 100. Okay, this one 130, so it's 65. The other specify distance to other axis, it is 65. Great. Okay, let me okay, good. What's more, I need to determine the center for this circle, which is 25 far from the end point, and its radius is 10. So bring a line at negative 25 and 0 in y direction. This become a center. Then bring a circle. Its radius is 10. Okay, I need another circle with radius 25. Spacebar. Center point and radius is 25. Great. What's more, I need to find the center for this polygon and the circle. The center is far from the center of ellipse by 50 meter or 50 centimeter. It doesn't make any difference because we didn't determine any unit on the drawing. So it is the center and shift at minus 50 and 0 in y direction. Great. Bring a circle with radius 40. Circle, its radius is 40. Great. Also, I need another polygon. It is inscribed in circle. So here we have polygon. Also from draw we have polygon. Enter number of sides. It is 6 sides. Specify center of polygon. That is center of polygon. Inscribe it in circle or circumscribe it. It's inscribed in circle. So just insert I. Enter. Radius of circle, you see it is 50. Diameter is 50, so the circle radius is 25. Yes. Now I can delete these lines, reference lines. Okay. What's more, I need to draw a radius, or I need to draw an arc or a circle by radius 110. This one also 110. The center is this side. Okay, radius circle, center that's the center. Radius is 110. Okay, another circle. Start from this side this time. This time center is here, and it is also has the same radius, which is 110. 110. Great. Now I need circles to tangent with this circle and this circle. Also here and here. We can do this by bringing a circle by tangent radius. So draw circle, tangent radius. This one and this one. The radius for this one is 50. Just at 50. Okay. Again, draw circle, tan radius. Here also I need tan radius. Radius is 15 again. This one and this one. Make sure to put cursor here in the side. If you put cursor in the side and apply the radius, it creates the circle in the side. So I put cursor here and apply the diameter. Yes. Again, draw circle, tan radius. This time radius is 10. Determine the circle and this circle, then radius is 10. For this one again, circle, tan radius, determine this one and this one. Insert, draw circle, tan radius, this one and this one. Put cursor in the side and 10. Great. Now Control A, then modify and trim, or from here modify, bring, trim. I don't need this one. I don't need this one. No need this one. Okay. Trim unwanted parts. Okay, it's good. I don't need this. I don't need this. No need this. Okay. Yes, I think it's okay. Now just select this one and select this one and delete. Now we created the shape exactly. That is the way to create this drawing.